now that I'm back in the United States in Georgia, I actually went out of my way to get an egg cooker. Yes, it came with all the accessories. I bought it at Walmart. It was $9.98. You can get other brands as well. Hamilton Beach for $20.99, a Nostalgia for $15.45. There was a cheaper one for $8.81, or Dash for $19.99. But I went to Walmart, and here's my unboxing of my egg cooker. It's called a My Mini, and it has a tamper-proof seal right there. You just open up that carefully, and when I opened it up, I saw all the accessories, and indeed, it came with everything. It had a lid, it had a thank you card, and another dish where you can do other recipes. Here's the measuring cup with the little pin that you actually need to puncture your egg. So they had it sealed with tape. When I took it off, see here, it's very sharp. So you gotta be very careful when you're washing this. And you can actually cook up to 7 eggs in this one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty neat, and look how shiny.
Wow.
It's so cool. And of course, always read the manual. And so I read it, I looked through it real quick, and what I needed to know is how to make soft-boiled eggs, and voila, there it is. Just soft-boiled eggs, 1 to 7 eggs, 10 minutes. That's pretty long, but let's try it. Before you make eggs, you gotta make sure that your eggs are good. One way of testing if you have good eggs is a glass of water and just let your egg sink to the bottom. If the egg sinks to the bottom like that, you know that you have good eggs. And since we're cooking 2 eggs, we're gonna try and test both of them. So this one is okay, it's sunk to the bottom, so it's a good egg. They're good eggs. The joy of the Lord is your strength. Oh, there my 2 eggs are. So here we're going to puncture the bottom. So, you know, the bottom is wider than the tip. And just
3,
align your egg.
2,
and you just want one little puncture.
Instant replay.
There you go. And I'm going to replay it. And replay
Instant replay again.
one more time. This is actually the second egg. For your viewing pleasure, replay.
Replay again.
In slow-mo. There you go. One more time.
Here we have a triple replay. Ladies and gentlemen, a quadruple
one more
replay.
Alright. So now we're going to put it in the egg cooker. And I just put them apart like this. And when we checked the measuring cup, it said it had different levels. So there's soft, medium, hard, and custard. I don't know what custard is. But you want to put the water where you want the consistency of your egg. So we want soft. I made sure I get bottled water because our water is well water. So I put it right on the edge of soft-boiled eggs. But remember what happened last time with my parents' egg cooker? So I put less. So I put like half of the soft-boiled and I put it in there. It's supposed to be 10 minutes, right? Anyway, I'll cover it and then I'll plug it in. See, I've never done this before, so just make sure that you plug it in and then you turn it on. Now, it's very hard to turn on a gadget with one hand and the other holding the camera. And I want to make sure that the cord is not touching the gadget because you don't want to burn the cord. The cord was a little bit short. So there you go, 10 minutes. Woo, that was fast. It was less than 10 minutes. And because it was so short, I'm going to leave them in there. I turned it off. And let's see. I'm going to eat right by this table. Don't you think these tulips are beautiful? So there, my soft-boiled egg. And I typically either cut off the top, like my dad does. It's not as easy as you think it is. And you want to have the consistency of almost hard-boiled, but not hard-boiled like this. Let's see how it tastes. Here you go, from the top. And it tastes really good. I like to put a little bit of soy sauce in it, just super little, or Maggi. I don't know if there is Maggi in the United States, but just use that and it tastes really good. My mom used to give this to me when I was little. She'd put it in a bowl and then cut in some bread. But that's the consistency of it, like really soupy. It has a different flavor than hard-boiled eggs or egg benedict or sunny side up. So it's like eating a totally different thing. So if you're on an egg diet, you can do this. Am I on an egg diet? Maybe I should be. See there, it's really liquid. I'll show you the other egg, how it turned out. Chris will not eat soft-boiled eggs or hard-boiled eggs. Well, the other egg was kind of like messed up, so this one I'm not going to cut. I'm going to be peeling it off. Here, the consistency, you see the egg is shaking. Scary. But yeah, it's kind of like hard-boiled, but it's not. And it's soft. So I did a pretty good job with this.
Keep checking our channels, and Chris and I will show you how to make soft-boiled eggs without having to break the bank, without having to buy an egg cooker. And just check out all our other videos and comments so we know how to do it better and interact with you.